Here in StockSmarts, we are going to show you the exact formula that thousands of OFWs and Filipinos abroad are now using to retire earlier than their parents ever thought possible. And it's probably not what you think. This is StockSmarts, and today we're talking about the new retirement reality for Filipinos living overseas. If you look at the data, the traditional idea of retirement in the Philippines is broken. Rising expenses, stagnant wages, and constant financial obligations have made retirement feel impossible for many Filipinos back home. But here's the twist. Filipinos abroad are quietly rewriting the rules. They're retiring earlier, smarter, and with far more security than the average Filipino worker ever gets. And today, I'll break down exactly how they're doing it and how you can follow the same path starting 2026. Let's talk about the big global shift. Across the US, Middle East, Europe, and Asia, we're seeing one trend. Filipinos who moved abroad for work are hitting financial milestones faster than those who stayed home. Why? Because mobility changes everything. Higher income potential, predictable career growth, and access to stable financial systems remove so many of the obstacles that Filipinos face in the local job market. Add to that rising cost of living in Manila, and migrating for work becomes not just a dream but a financial strategy. But here's where Filipinos abroad are getting smarter. They're not just earning more, they're optimizing better. They've realized that retirement is not about age anymore, it's about cash flow. And that's the secret. If your money works harder than you do, you don't need to wait for 60 or 65 to retire. And this is the mindset shift that is helping Filipinos abroad retire earlier. So what exactly are they doing differently? Step 1. Front-load earning years. Filipinos abroad maximize their highest earning decade, usually between ages 25 to 50, which incidentally is the generation that is massively income producing. Instead of spreading income growth over a lifetime, they compress it. Higher income early on means more capital to invest, more savings to compound, and more options later. This front-loaded income strategy beats the traditional slow wage increase in the Philippines every single time. Step 2, they build assets with guaranteed cash flow. And this is important. When you interview OFWs who retired early, they weren't trading random meme coins or buying hype. They built portfolios designed to pay them monthly, quarterly, or annually. For many Filipinos abroad, dividend stocks remain the top performer. Why? Because it feels like a second salary. A reliable, predictable income stream without needing to trade every day. And during times of uncertainty, especially for Filipinos supporting family back home, stability always wins over speculation. Step 3, they avoid lifestyle creep. This is the silent killer of early retirement. Many Filipinos abroad increase income and immediately increase expenses. Bigger apartments, more travel, constant upgrades. But the ones who retire early do the opposite. They maintain a simple lifestyle even when they start earning in dollars, euros, or dirhams. This gap between income and expenses becomes their wealth engine. The bigger the gap, the faster they retire. Step 4, they diversify geographically. This is one of the smartest moves Filipinos abroad make because they're already outside the Philippines. They're not emotionally tied to only one market. They invest where taxes are fairer, rules are clear, and markets are stable. Stocks in the US, ETFs, global bonds, international real estate through REITs, these broaden their safety net. And the more diversified you are, the more stable your retirement income becomes. Step 5, they have a clear exit number. Early retirees know exactly how much cash flow they need per month before they quit their job. Not someday, not when it feels right, to a specific target like 100K a month, 150K a month, or even 200K a month depending on their lifestyle. Once their investments generate that amount without them working, that's when they pull the trigger. And guess what? Many hit this number earlier than they expected because they follow a consistent system. Now let's talk about why 2026 is the most important year to start this. Global markets are stabilizing. Interest rates are projected to soften. Dividend yields remain strong, and opportunities for Filipinos abroad, especially in the US, are expanding faster than ever. Healthcare, tech, logistics, engineering. These sectors are aggressively hiring and paying salaries that would take decades to earn in the Philippines. If you position yourself right in 2026, you set yourself up for an accelerated path to early retirement. And here's something crucial. You don't need millions to start. What you need is a system, a framework, a roadmap. Start with 3 pillars. First, build your emergency fund so you never have to liquidate investments during a bad market. Second, consistently invest in dividend stocks or global ETFs that give reliable long-term returns. Third, use your overseas advantage of having higher income, stronger currency, to invest more aggressively in your 30 seconds and 40 seconds, so your 50 seconds become optional. Let me give you a real example. A Filipino nurse in New York earning 90K USD a year who saves just 20% can invest roughly $1,500 monthly into good dividend ETFs. At an average annual return of 7 to 10%, she can build a portfolio worth 300K to 400K USD in under 10 years. That portfolio alone can generate 13K to 18K USD per year in dividends. Combine that with side income or rental investments, then you are already halfway to early retirement before age 45. Meanwhile, someone in the Philippines earning 40K pesos a month would take decades to reach the same level. And this is why so many Filipinos abroad are planning to retire either back home or in lower cost countries where their dollars stretch farther. Early retirement isn't about escaping work. It's about creating options. The option to work because you want to, not because you have to. The option to move where life is better. The option to build a life where you are treated best. If you are abroad right now, you are in the best position possible to fast-track your financial freedom. But only if you play it right, if you ignore the noise, if you avoid the hype, if you stick to strategies that work for Filipinos in this era who want predictable, sustainable growth. So here's the final message. Early retirement is not a fantasy. It is a math problem, a formula, a system. And if thousands of Filipinos abroad are already doing it, you can too. Start in 2026. Build the habits now. Invest consistently. Prioritize cash flow and choose the life where you are treated best, not someday, but step by step starting today. This is Stock Smarts, helping you create the life you truly deserve. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment where in the world you are watching from. Your financial freedom story starts now.